Do my eyes deceive me, or is that snow? Should I better look at this? See that? Actual snowflakes. That's right. In March. Spring. It's 10 days away. And we're getting snow. Wow. That is really unbelievable. Oh my god. Jesus. Yep. Actual snow. Of course, it's actual snow. One last look at this. Yep. Wow. I'm surprised this is not a block of ice. Ooh. It's time for a little slick now. By the way, the noise you hear now is just some leftover raindrops falling from season hitting the roof of this little thing right there. So yeah. Snow in March. I can't believe that.
It is snowing in Memphis.
Yep. Yep, that's right. In case you have enough proof already, I don't know what is. Wow. Can't believe that, actually. Can you believe it, Lucas? I guess not. Anyways. Actually, no, let's keep recording for a little bit longer.
Areas that actually saw snow earlier today. Western portions of Tennessee reporting snowfall. We're seeing it there south of Nashville, and we've seen a little bit moving into the Chattanooga area as well. This will continue to make its way eastward, and as more snow comes into the picture here and as temperatures drop, we could see it stick on the grassy surfaces and maybe even a little layer too on some of those roadways, especially those that are not well traveled. We'll be watching areas here from Chattanooga all the way into the western portions of North Carolina. Asheville looking for some snowfall. None for you yet. Your temperatures in the upper 30s still, but we're going to see more of that coming up into the higher elevations there of western North Carolina. Your future radar has that snow continuing to develop here and moving eastward over the Carolinas as we get through the nighttime hours into early tomorrow. Stay with us for more coverage of Stella.